Project Age bataka gitongwize abebembezi ba Kabarore babandize kwegisa abantu kwerukora ombyanga byabo konkana bajangwa abantu tubakatungire mwete okujeta bamu.
Government has given us so many alternatives. If you are Mcheke, join PDM. If you are Mcheke, join Yoga. If you are Mcheke, there are so many government programs. PDM and whatever.
Uganda Climate Smart Agricultural Transformation Project neija kumara emyaka 6 kandi neshajwa government ya Uganda kurabiro Ministry y'obuhingi n'oburisa hamwe n'obujubi bakwatanise na National Agricultural Research Organization na National Animal Genetics Resources Center and Data Bank.
Kurora progress rundi project yenye ikankaha kandi kurora ebicumbagere biziremu twabimara hututa kandi kurora twagenda tuta Mason koko tuli mukota ya kasatu mu mwaka gunu gwa byensimbi abiri 2025-2026.
Kabarore nemwa ha districts nkaga na mwendo mu ihanga ryona aho project Age eriyo netebo mu nkora.
Ati project yenu ko kane kora buli district rundi region bakageha enterprise rundi ekintu ekishobora abantu bakwetanira muno hano mu Kabarole tukagenda for 4 value chains ekibiremwa tukachuzinga mu coffee omwani kulimo omwani, so the project is going to support coffee. Magana twinaho ente ezenyama na ente ezamata, then that is one value chain twinem beef and dairy. Then twinaho ne njoki, kulise njoki na beneficial insects, it's quite a beneficial insects which we call black soldier fly.
In climate smart agriculture in Kijura abantu bajijumbire konka ikiri kuteganisa no kugira ngo Kijura eri good for coffee konka bakatugira ngo tuzo mu livestock farming, but people have made groups and they are ready to start. Only the challenge is abantu batinire ko funding age abantu kutaye sente zabo tubakacitegereze kureba ngo basa kutaye sente zabo, then the government bahereze project.
Arthur Nzeyimana omuhezi wa mkuru w'abakozi hawa district ya Kabarore ashabira begisa babahinjo mu district okutamomani kureba ngo bamanyisa abantu ha project Age okwenda ngo bajetabemu.
$1 million plus. Now that means 17 are falling out. How many group members have 2 acres of land to go into livestock? So that is why your skill becomes important.
Now it's time for work. It is time for real work. Ezo groups za kozero mubwire wa Karuru yuntekereza rawa ambasira Karuru. And as the office of the RBC, we are ready to be on ground, and we shall be on ground and find out really these groups zero.
Gasha kwa Jonan Singwire.